Happy morning, children. In previous class, we discussed about definition of sets and representation of sets like roster form and set builder form. Next, types of sets: empty set, infinite set, and finite set. Now we discuss about the universal set. Universal set means a set which consists of all these sets under the consideration is called universal set. For example, in our school we have two classroom and office room, stock room. So classroom, stock room and office room part of the school. So school is a universal set. Universal set are denoted by U, R, mu, or omega. Universal set are denoted by U, R, mu, or omega. Next, universal set are represented by Venn diagram, rectangle. Okay. For example, on a number theory, set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Next, integers, all positive values and their negative values including 0. Then it is called integer. -3, -2 up to infinite, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is set of integer. All these number sets in real numbers, natural numbers, set of natural numbers and set of whole numbers. Next, set of integers. All these numbers in real numbers. So real number is a universal set. The set of real number is universal set. In a real number we have to all numbers are there. So real number is a universal set for number theory. Okay. Sets are represented by roster form and set builder form. Third one is the Venn diagram. Venn diagram diagram, or simply we say that Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams we can use are represented by circles or rectangles. Venn diagrams generally we can use circles or rectangles. So circle is one of the Venn diagram. Rectangle is also one of the Venn diagram. So Venn diagrams are represented by circles or rectangles. Okay. Now next topic is basic operations on sets. We have three operations are there. So in a set we define the operations of union, intersection and difference. Okay. Three operations are there. So first one is union of sets. The union of two sets is the set of all those elements which are either individual, both is in common. For example, set A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next to set B equals to 2, 4, 6. Okay. Union of set A and B. So the A union B is represented. Union is represented by U. Okay. So A union B can be written as A union B. So the union is represented by symbol U. Okay. So here A union B means we can write individual elements and common elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 3, 5, 6 is a individual elements and 2, 4 is a common elements. So we can write all individual elements and common elements. Then that is called union of the given two sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements of union of set A and B. So next union of sets are represented by set builder form. So A union B represented by set builder form is equal to X such that X is belongs to A or X such that X is belongs to A or X belongs to B. Here A union B, each and every element is belongs to either set A or set B. So then it is called A union B. So set builder form can be written as X such that X is belongs to A or X is belongs to B. Next, Venn diagram of the union of the sets. Here set A is one of the circle and set B is also one of the circle. So this is for A union B. We can write all elements. So shaded region is called union of the set. A union B are represented by Venn diagram. Is we can shade all this shaded place. So then it is called Venn diagram of the union of the sets. First roster form, set builder form and Venn diagram. Okay, union of the set we can represent roster form, set builder form and Venn diagram. Okay. Next, second one, intersection of sets. The intersection of sets, set A and B, set of all those elements which are belongs to both A and B. Okay. So intersection of sets are represented by A intersection B. So you can read as A intersection B. So written as A intersection B. For example, A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B 2, 4, 6. So roster form of the A intersection B. A intersection B. So each and every element is belongs to both set A and B. Then it is called intersection. So the meaning of intersection means we can write common elements. Then that is called intersection. Here 2 is a common element and 4 also common element. So intersection of set A and B equals to 2, 4. Okay. So 2 is belongs to set A and belongs to set B. 4 is also belongs to set A and set B. So intersection of two sets means it belongs to both set A and B are called intersection of the sets. This is the roster form of the intersection. Next, set builder form of intersection. Set builder form. Set builder form of A intersection B. So each and every element is belongs to set A and set B. Each and every element is belongs to set A and set B. So we can written as X such that X is belongs to A and X is belongs to B. So this is the set builder form of the intersection of any two sets. Next, Venn diagram of set of two sets. Intersection of the two sets. Here set A and set B. We can write shaded portion is called intersection. A intersection B. A intersection B. Shaded portion is represented to A intersection B. So here also first roster form of the intersection. Next to set builder form. Next to Venn diagram. Okay. Next design sets. Consider set A and B are two finite sets. Then there are no common elements. Then there are no common elements in both A and B. So that is known as design set. For example, A is a 1, 3, 5. B set B 2, 4, 6. Both set A and both B that we cannot have common elements. So set A and B both are design set. Why? Because here no common elements. Okay. So A and B both are design sets. Why? Because here no common elements. Okay. So A intersection B equal to, here no common element. So set A intersection set B equals to empty set or null set. So in a design sets, the intersection of two design sets is equal to always null set or empty set or void set. Okay. So this is the design sets. Next, third one, difference of sets. The difference of set A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A and but not belongs to set B. For example, here set A. So set difference of two sets are denoted by A minus B. Simply we read as A minus B. Okay. This is difference of two sets. Difference of two set A and set B we can written as A minus B. Next, first for example 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 2, 4. So here A minus B equal to, we can write only set A elements. So we cannot write the common elements. Here 2, here 2, 4, 4. So remaining 1, 3. So element 1, 3 belongs to only set A, does not belongs to set B. Then that is the difference of the set A and B. 1 is belongs to set A, 3 is also belongs to set A. Only set A, okay? So does not belongs to set B. Then it is called A minus B. This is roster form of the difference of any two sets A and B. Next, set builder form of A minus B we can written as X such that X is belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X does not belongs to B. This is set builder form of two difference of two sets. Set builder form of difference of two sets. Next, Venn diagrams of the difference of the two sets. Venn diagram difference of two sets. A is one of the set and B also one of the set. Shaded portion are A minus B. This is Venn diagram of the A minus B. And B minus A. B minus A. Here set A and set B. So B minus A we can write only shaded region is represented to B minus A. Okay, this is the difference of the two sets. Next concept, subset. If every element of first set A is also an element of second set B, then first set is subset of second set. For example, first of all, subset is represented by, it is represented by A is subset B. every element of first set is also an element of second set B, then first set is said to be subset of second set. For example, A is a set 1, 2, 3. B is a set elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here each and every element 1, 2, 3 is belongs to set A and also set B. So A is subset B. So A is subset B and B is does not subset A. Why? Because here 4 and 5 is belongs to set B, does not belongs to set A. So A is belongs to B, but not B does not belongs to A. Each and every element belongs to set A and also belongs to set B. Then it is called A is subset B. Okay, this is the subset definition. Okay, most important concept. First one is empty set. Empty set is a empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set is a subset of every set. This is the first point. Second point, every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. Okay, empty set is a subset of every set and every set is a subset of itself. Okay, for example, A is a 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is all elements belongs to set A. So A is subset A. Okay, so empty set is subset is also set A. Okay, exercise 2, first bit, first problem. If A 1, 2, 3 and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we can find the A intersection B and B intersection A. Both are equal or not? So first one, A 1, 2, 3 and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A intersection B. A intersection B. First set A 1, 2, 3. Intersection set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A intersection B means the set of A intersection B is set belongs to each and every element is belongs to set A and set B. So we can write only common elements 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3. All elements are belongs to set A and set B. So finally A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3. Next B intersection A. So we can write first set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and intersection set A 1, 2, 3. So here also we can write only common elements. Common elements are belongs to set B and set A. So then it is called A B intersection A. So 1 is belongs to set A and set B. Next 2 is also belongs to set B and set A. 3 also is belongs to set B and set A. So A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Both are equal. So therefore A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Okay. This is the intersection of the any two sets. Okay. Complete this class. Thank you, children.